Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a truly essential piece of gear for anyone involved in audio. Whether you're a musician, a podcaster, a sound engineer, or just someone who loves their home audio setup. We're talking about the 1.4/6 35mm female to XLR female 3-pin socket audio cord. This isn't just any adapter. It's a crucial link in the chain for countless audio-electronic devices, and after spending some time with it, one can confidently say it delivers on its promise. First off, let's talk about its primary function. This cord acts as a bridge, allowing you to connect devices with a 1.4-inch output, be it TRS or TS, to an XLR female input. Think about the scenarios. Perhaps you have a dynamic microphone with a 1.4-inch output that you want to plug into a professional mixer with only XLR inputs. Or maybe you're trying to integrate a guitar pedal or an instrument output into an XLR-based system. This adapter makes those connections seamless and straightforward, eliminating compatibility headaches. The build quality is immediately apparent. The connectors feel robust and secure, ensuring a snug fit that won't easily disconnect during a performance or recording session. But what truly sets this cord apart is its internal construction. It boasts high-purity 4N OFC conductors. For those unfamiliar, OFC stands for oxygen-free copper, and 4N indicates a very high level of purity, meaning 99.99% pure copper. This high purity is vital because it significantly reduces signal loss and interference, ensuring that the audio signal remains clean, clear, and true to its source. What you put in is what you get out, without unwanted noise or degradation. At 1.1 feet, or roughly 33 centimeters, these cords are designed for convenience and tidiness. They're perfect for short runs, connecting adjacent equipment on a desk, or tidying up a rack setup without excess cable clutter. This compact length is often overlooked, but incredibly valuable for maintaining an organized and efficient workspace. And the fact that it comes in a 2-pack is a fantastic bonus. It means you're ready for stereo applications right out of the box, or you simply have a spare on hand, which is always a smart move in any audio environment. In practical use, these adapters perform flawlessly. They provide a reliable, low-noise connection that allows audio signals to pass through with integrity. Whether it's for live sound, studio recording, or just connecting various components in a home entertainment system, these cords prove to be an indispensable tool. They are a testament to how small, well-engineered components can make a significant difference in the overall quality and flexibility of an audio setup. For anyone looking to expand their connectivity options with high-quality, dependable adapters, these 1.4 female to XLR female cords are an excellent choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.